Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Did you know that you can create an eyeliner of any color of eyeshadows that you have using only a soft black pencil? In this video I'm gonna show you how I do it. First, I defined my eye shape with a bronzer and a fluffy brush. I already had my concealer on as an eyeshadow base. Then I added a deeper brown eyeshadow color in the outer corner of my eye for more sculpture. And then I stretched out the color to the temple to see better the direction of my future eyeliner. Then I took a usual soft black pencil, sharpened it really well and started building up my eyeliner shape. Here you can choose any shape you want, either it's a thin, elegant liner or, like I chose, a dramatic, thick eyeliner. First I built an upper border in the outer corner of my eye, then the direction of the wing and connected them together. After I liked the shape, I filled in everything inside it and tried not to leave any holes and empty spots. Always look straight in the mirror to understand where you need to correct your shape. Then I did the same on the second eye and started filling in my color. I chose this green metallic eyeshadow, took a small eyeshadow brush and started pressing in the color right on top of the pencil. Repeated it several times and then added some sparkles on top for a more dramatic evening look. And here it is, our makeup is ready. This is a super easy, bold eye look. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.